everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you caught our previous video, you already know we dove deep into Nvidia's Blackwell chips and their potential impact on technology. Today, we are elevating our tech talk to an extraordinary level as we introduce you to a groundbreaking development in the automotive world, 3D printed cars.
That's right. Imagine a world where cars are not only designed but also built from scratch right in front of your eyes. This innovative technology is revolutionizing the automotive industry. So buckle up as we explore the fascinating world of 3D printing in cars.
First things first, what exactly is 3D printing? Also known as additive manufacturing, it's a process where we create objects layer by layer from digital models. It all starts with a computer-aided design file. Using materials like polymers, metals, or composites, the magic begins.
Exactly. In the automotive world, techniques like fuse deposition modeling (FDM) and stereolithography (SLA) take center stage. FDM extrudes material layer by layer using thermoplastic filaments, while SLA employs laser to cure liquid resin, resulting in highly detailed and smooth objects. It's like watching a sculptor breathe life into a block of clay, except the clay is a digital file.
Now, let's talk about the advantages of this technology. Speed is a game changer. Traditional car manufacturing can take months due to complex tooling and molds, but with 3D printing, a prototype can be ready in mere hours. For instance, the Strati made by Local Motors took just 44 hours to print its body. That's mind-blowing compared to traditional methods that could stretch over weeks.
And here's where it gets even cooler: customizability. Unlike traditional manufacturing, 3D printing allows for intricate designs and personalized touches without inflating costs. Imagine a world where your car reflects your personality. Companies like XEV are making this a reality with their fully 3D printed electric car, the LSEV. Affordable, customizable, and incredibly unique.
Speaking of unique, let's not forget the eco-friendly angle. Traditional manufacturing produces a lot of waste, but 3D printing uses only the material necessary for the object, significantly reducing waste. This is a win-win for the planet.
Absolutely. Plus, some processes incorporate recycled or biodegradable materials. For example, Re3D has developed a Gigabot, a 3D printer that transforms recycled plastic bottles into large-scale objects, including car parts. It's a creative solution that minimizes environmental impact while giving a second life to waste.
Now let's talk dollars and cents. Cost effectiveness. Traditional car production is a financial heavy lifter with expensive tooling, molds, and assembly lines. In contrast, 3D printing simplifies this entire process. By eliminating these costly setups, manufacturers save a ton of money right from the start.
And let's not overlook material efficiency. 3D printing only uses the exact amount of material needed for each part, optimizing resource use. By printing complex components in one piece, manufacturers can slash assembly time and labor costs, speeding up the entire production process.
Now it's time for some of the nitty-gritty. In the realm of 3D printing cars, materials like carbon fiber reinforced polymers and titanium come into play to achieve incredible strength-to-weight ratios.
Exactly. CFRP is exceptionally strong yet lightweight, enhancing vehicle performance and fuel efficiency. For instance, companies like Woodby utilize CFRP to construct their eco-friendly, lightweight vehicles, blending innovation with sustainability.
Speaking of innovation, let's look at some current examples. Local Motors Strati is a pioneer in the realm of 3D printing cars, made using a method called big area additive manufacturing.
And it it doesn't stop there. BMW is leveraging 3D printing for its functional parts in their i8 Roadster, proving its practicality even in high-performance vehicles. Audi is also exploring this technology to produce complex parts while cutting down production costs. Plus, the startup Appy's Core is showcasing its versatility by 3D printing cars using concrete printing technology. That's the dream. Companies like Divergent 3D are leading the charge, creating eco-friendly cars using 3D printing technology. It's not just a revolution in manufacturing, it's a paradigm shift in how we think about car ownership. Thanks for joining us on this episode of CrypTech, a thrilling ride through the world of 3D printed cars. We hope this glimpse into the future of automotive technology has ignited your imagination.